Hello dear travelers, welcome in this video where I will give you a very short and honest feedback about Gaasbeek Castle in Belgium. I will be quick because it's raining cats and dogs and it's windy and extremely unpleasant. The castle has its own parking, and besides the castle there is this museum garden here right in front of me. So you have the option to buy a ticket for the castle or a combi ticket for the castle and for the museum garden. I'm not sure that I will go to visit the museum garden because it's very bad weather, but I'm sure that it's very beautiful. About the castle, I can tell you that the castle has 3 floors, ground level, first floor and second floor. It's very beautiful. It was under renovations for 3 very long years, but what they have done, that is amazing. Everything is so fresh, so new. I have uploaded a video with video tour about the castle. What impressed me most is that the castle looks very big, but actually there are not very much rooms, and the rooms I visit, maybe those were the only open for visitors room, they were very small. They were extremely very small. For a castle, I thought that the people are rich, they can afford more space, but obviously that was the way it was built back then in the time. The staff is very friendly. There are small lockers where you can leave your backpacks, your jackets to be more comfortable when you do your tour. The ticket cost 15 euro per person for the castle and for the garden. No need to buy the ticket in advance. The parking is free of charge, and I absolutely recommend you to come and to visit the place. So dear travelers, enjoy the video tour I uploaded from the castle, and if you are somewhere here in the neighborhood, please come, visit and enjoy, but please watch the forecast before to come.